Hey guys, my name is Priyanka. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a very beautiful and a very simple abstract texture doodle painting. So I'll start by making the basic sketch for the painting. I'll just do a very light drawing. You can do any flower of your choice. I'm doing the rose flower which I had learnt in school. This was the first rose flower drawing which I had learnt in my school when I was very young, I think 5 or 6 years old. So let me just do that today. And it's not actually necessary that you do flowers, you can do any drawing. Trees, animals, birds, any still drawing, anything. Okay, so I've put masking tape on the edges as this will prevent my paper from de-shaping once I'm using water in it. So you can choose any color story for your artwork. I just thought of using a yellow and a pink color story. You can either run down the first base layer of pigment on either the entire drawing or on parts. It's all your choice. You can make the yellow darker at certain places. Then comes my second pigment. I'm using Crimson Lake Red here. The paper which I'm using is 25% cotton cold pressed watercolor paper, 300 GSM, artist watercolors. You can use any watercolors that you have. Brushstroke artist, round brushes. This is a very abstract and a very easy painting, so there is no hard and fast for the materials here. So though I'm doing the colors very randomly, I'm still trying to follow the shape of the flower which I have already done. So once this much dries, I will do another layer. Either you can wait for the pigments to dry on their own, or you can use a drying tool for drying this much of work. So though we are keeping this abstract, we are just trying to do a little bit of nice shading in the petals. You can give a touch of any third color if you wish. So I'm not going to make it very dark. I think this much is fine for it. But if you want the flowers to be darker, you can, yes, of course, do that. You see, I'm keeping my hand very loose here and I'm not following any definite shape of the petals or the stem or the leaves. Now the doodle part here has to be done with a lot of patience because that's going to be very prominent. As always, I'm using a normal 0.5 gel pen, not any special pen, but you can mix pens of various thicknesses here. You can even use colored gel pens. They look very nice in flowers like this. So pink and green here, or colored sparkle pens, glitter pens, whatever you want. This is just up to you. So I'm more comfortable in moving the paper and doing the outlines. You can do the way you are comfortable in. Okay, so once our outline is done, we know whether we have to leave the painting as it looks completed, or we want to do something more. So I think I should do something more on this to make it look a bit more fuller. So in these kinds of paintings, like the way we're doing here, it happens a lot of times that we do enhancements in the end. That's why it is important to choose a pen that doesn't smudge. So check your pen for any smudgings in the beginning only, so that it doesn't spoil all your hard work in the end. It's very frustrating when a work which is turning out to be very good spoils in the end. So just check for your pen in the beginning only. So also one more thing I thought of doing, I am now making the outlines, just the inner outlines, a bit more thicker. So I'm using a 0.9 mm gel pen for this work. So friends, a very easy textured abstract doodle painting is ready. I hope you really liked the tutorial. In case you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you soon with yet another exciting tutorial. Till then, stay safe, be happy, goodbye.